what's up guys, it's me Shanti and you're watching me on my YouTube channel The Layavi. I'm going to be doing a first impression take on Bianco Smile's Activated Whitening Charcoal Powder. For the first part of this video, I'm going to be bringing you to my bathroom where I'm going to be showing you the steps that are required to achieving brighter, whiter looking teeth in just 2 minutes. And a huge shout out to Bianco Smile for partnering up with me for today's video. Wait a minute, if you're watching me and this video for the first time, then thank you so much for taking time out of your day to click on this video and even watch this video. While you're here, may I suggest that you subscribe to this channel. All you have to do is just click on the subscribe button right down this video and there will be a small bell icon next to it. Make sure to click on it just so that you will be updated and notified whenever a new video uploads goes up on my channel, because I don't want you to be missing out on a lot of amazing content that's coming your way. So if you want to see how I brush my teeth in just 2 minutes to achieving brighter, whiter looking teeth, then just keep on watching. If I'm going to be speaking at a panel, I'll be knowing for sure what I'm going to be using to brighten and whiten my teeth on the day of the event. If you would like to know more about the product, I'll put a link to their official website down the info bar below. And if you're keen on purchasing one for yourself so that you can achieve and rock those sexy pearly whites of yours, do flash this discount code off at your checkout to enjoy a small discount. Before I end this first impressions video, I just quickly want to add that the Bianco Smile's Activated Charcoal Whitening Powder is made from 100% natural ingredients. The handy plastic tub contains 30 grams of its activated charcoal whitening powder, and you will only be needing a very little amount that is enough to coat your brush bristles with it before you start brushing your teeth, and it comes with a mint flavor that I could definitely look past. Well, that's it for today's first impression video guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed already, please do so. All you have to just click on the subscribe button down this video. Make sure to click on the bell icon next to it, and I will see you in my next week's video.